I'm Captain Comma, and this city is full of sentences that need my help. Visit a lion, tiger, and bear at the zoo. This is a job for Captain Comma! Visit a lion, tiger, and bear at the zoo.
Much better. Thanks, Captain Comma.
Enjoy salad soup and bread at Jane's Diner. Nothing a comma or two can't fix. Enjoy salad, soup, and bread at Jane's Diner. That makes me hungry. Jump, swim, and splash at Pool Paradise. Commas in the wrong place can be just as confusing as no commas at all. Jump, swim, and splash at Pool Paradise.
Thanks, Captain Comma!
For her birthday, get her flowers! Now there's a comma in the wrong place that's causing real trouble. I know what to do. For her birthday, get her flowers.
Oh, thank you, Captain Comma.
Remember to pick up apples, oranges, and bananas at Mel's Market. Look at that. The commas are in the right places. People are learning from my work. Looks like I'm done for today. Until tomorrow, this is Captain Comma, reminding you that commas are powerful, so use them wisely.